Haha. Hey.
Now it's recording.
Yeah, I got you. You were still on photo mode.
Oh, that's why.
Oh, that's the wrong way. Oh, well, I kind of need that there. Oh, I'm so strong. I'm not with my left arm. Ah! Oh my god. Good arm workout.
Mechanicing in general is kind of a good workout. Sometimes it makes you sore from sitting in different spots.
Ah! Can I be strong with my left arm? Ah! No.
You want the pipe?
What?
You want the pipe? And then it's moving, the pipe kind of makes it.
I'm not weak. Until I get stuff in my face, that is.
I'm gonna get that puller ready.
Oh. Oh my god. It's a miracle. Oh. I did it.
You got the nut off?
Almost. Yeah. Ah! I did it. Whew. That was a workout. Where you want the nut? Here. You want it? Ah. I did it. So what do I do now? Let me make sure that it doesn't move. Yeah.
That one's stuck on there. Okay, do you understand how that's supposed to go on?
In there.
Somehow. That's what I was afraid of, is that it wouldn't fit over that. Try and slide it from this side, like all the way over here. Back that screw off some more.
Oh, my arm hurts.
Might have to take it all the way out and then thread it back in.
No.
Try and slide it over right here. No, okay.
I mean, it would fit, but I don't want it to get stuck. Oh, wait. No.
You can't. Can you spin it sideways, like over that flat part with the hole in it? Will it fit?
Yeah, but I don't think I can angle it right. Because we need it like this, don't we?
Yep.
No, we can't get it like that. How thick is that? No.
It's okay if we fuck up that rubber because we're gonna replace that too.
You want to angle it a little more, like put it on the jack?
The phone?
Yeah. You can see a little better what I'm actually doing.
Oh yeah. There you go.
Ah!
I think we need one a little bit bigger.
Yeah. Do you want to go return it real fast and come back?
No, let me see one of these lights. Let's see. I don't know if my other puller will fit around that either.
Do you want to give me it and I can try?
Oh, I don't. I guess we can see.
Oh, yeah.
That's fucking shame. Let me see that thing. I'm wondering if we can. I don't want to grind it out because I could probably grind it out to where it'll fit, but then it'll weaken.
The arms.
Yeah. Just want to feel how tight it is. If we can fucking beat that motherfucker on there, or maybe if we take the fucking we're gonna do the tie rods anyway. So if we take the tie rod off, I wonder if it would fit over that. Because it seems like it's getting hung up right at where the fucking rubber boot gets
Okay.
around the metal.
Hold on. Is this connected to the tie rod or can we push it off?
I can't remember how that's connected. It's been a while since I did a tie rod. I know how to take it off there, screw it off there. It's gotta be fucking screwed in there somehow. What is that, a clamp? Where's that? How do you get that metal band off?
Probably with the tie rod. Hey.
Get this one off. But that other metal band is like
On there.
I don't feel any. I'm gonna give you a screwdriver and see if you can pry that boot back or something.
Okay. So. See where's probably there. Like where the metal part is?
Yeah, see if you can.
Oh god, I don't think I can.
This is the other style
Pulley or puller,
of puller, yeah.
whatever the hell it is.
Puller, popper, majigger.
That's weird.
I don't know if this mouth is wide enough. And if there's enough room. I don't think there's enough room for it. And I think that would probably pull it up.
Hey mom.
It's gonna be tricky. That's why I wanted that other one that he showed in the video with the fucking scissor jaws, because I knew that would fit around it.
Or we can go back to O'Reilly's and get that teeth, like the one that you can turn into a two.
I might have to, because I already know that beating on that with a hammer is not going to get it apart.
So do you want to go to O'Reilly's?
Plus it will fuck up the threads. Let me crawl under there for a second.
Alright.
You can use a wipe to clean off your arm.
Oh, I didn't even see that. Oh, do they sell those at O'Reilly's?
So what?
Those.
Creepers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We should get a new one. While we're there. Oh my god, come on. Ah!
Way to get this on there. I don't know if it would fit without the boot. We know that side's fucked up, but I don't know if we need to replace the either arm.
And what now?
Trying to decide if we need to do the idler arm. When you're done with that, can you just
Oh, the tire?
wiggle it?
The tire?
Yeah, back and forth. Kind of gentle. I don't know, that feels pretty tight over here. The idler arm might still be okay, so, but there is a big fucking wad of grease around it, which is not encouraging, so that boot is probably worn out. Just trying to decide how, but we're already under here, we're gonna have to fucking disappointing that this doesn't fit on there at all.
Yeah.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, you did? What? How?
Well, not where I need it. I got it to fit around there, but it won't get over the fucking...
The boot?
No, this second spot with the hole in it.
Oh, yeah. You'd have to turn it sideways.
Yeah, but then there's not enough room to rotate
Turn it back.
Yeah. Let's see.
Can you...
Spin it the other way, maybe.
Spin it the other way.
That way.
What are you looking for, Mom? What?
Tape measure.
There's one on the top left of the, well, I think I had it on the top left of the desk. There's that bright green one up there somewhere.
Wait, in the desk inside.
Yeah.
Oh!
Okay. Tie rod and tie rod. How's the tie rod connect to the fucking center link? That's what I'm not understanding. Band is on there. Super fucking tight. Can you hand me that new hammer that should be over there?
The hammer that we bought?
Yeah.
Ugh.
See if I can beat that motherfucker on there.
Oh, I ripped off the zip tie. Okay.
Super strong.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if I can get it. Alright. Oh, it's just gonna wiggle. That's not gonna work. Tap on this a little. Thing's got fucking grease coming out
Can the
everywhere.
camera see?
I think so. Yeah, it's like perfect. Huh. Where's the other? Can't get it on that way. No, maybe this way. No. I don't think that's. I would almost fit that way, but then I have no way to screw it down. I need to see that other.
Look at this wad of hair on my thumb. I know that is not mine.
Going to pause the